For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a junk removal business can be a low-barrier entry into the service industry with steady demand from homeowners, property managers, construction sites, and businesses. It doesn't require a lot of technical skills or major capital investment, especially if you use free AI tools to streamline planning, marketing, and operations. This guide provides a step-by-step approach to launching your junk removal business with the help of AI. Step 1. Define your business model and services. Begin by clarifying what kind of junk removal services you will offer. Will you serve residential customers, businesses, or both? Will you remove yard waste, old furniture, appliances, or construction debris? Determine your pricing structure: flat rate, hourly, or based on volume. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm your business model and offerings. A useful prompt is: create a detailed junk removal business model for a startup targeting both residential and commercial clients. Include pricing strategies, service types, and a competitive advantage. AI tool: ChatGPT. Use it to outline different service packages and estimate profitability for each model. Step 2. Write a business plan. A business plan will help you outline your goals, market analysis, startup costs, revenue projections, and operational structure. It's essential for organizing your thoughts, attracting partners, and securing funding if needed. Use this ChatGPT prompt. Write a business plan for a junk removal business in your city. Include executive summary, target market, SWOT analysis, marketing strategy, startup costs, and financial projections. AI tool: ChatGPT. Ideal for drafting a comprehensive, professional business plan based on your target region and goals. Step 3. Name and register your business. Choose a name that's easy to remember, relevant to junk removal, and available as a web domain. After finalizing the name, register your business with your local government, get an EIN, employer identification number, if in the U.S., and check for any licenses or permits you may need. You can use Namecheap's free domain checker or GoDaddy's domain search to verify name availability. To brainstorm name ideas using AI, try this prompt: give me 20 unique, catchy business names for a junk removal company. AI tool: ChatGPT. Helps generate name ideas and check their meanings or branding potential. Step 4. Build a logo and online presence. A strong online presence will help customers find you and trust your service. You'll need a logo, a basic website, and listings on Google Business, Yelp, and other local directories. For your logo, use Loca or Canva's free logo maker, which lets you create logos using AI-assisted design. For your website, try Durable AI Website Builder. It generates a basic business website from a short description. ChatGPT prompt for website text. Write a homepage, about us, and service page content for a junk removal company based in your location. Emphasize professionalism, speed, and eco-friendly practices. Step 5. Plan your marketing strategy. Getting your first clients is crucial. A strong marketing plan includes both online and offline methods, such as local SEO, flyers, social media ads, and referral incentives. Leverage free AI tools to design your strategy. ChatGPT prompt. Create a 30-day marketing strategy for launching a junk removal business. Include free and low-cost tactics such as social media, flyers, and online listings. Use Canva to design flyers and business cards. For social media content, use ChatGPT with a prompt. Write 10 social media posts for a new junk removal business, highlighting services, benefits, and discounts. AI tools: ChatGPT, Canva, and Google Bard, excellent for strategy, copywriting, and visuals. Step 6. Set up tools for operations and customer management. To operate efficiently, you'll need tools to manage jobs, schedule pickups, track expenses, and communicate with clients. Use Notion or Trello, free productivity tools, to organize job requests and tasks. Use ChatGPT to create customer response templates using this prompt. Write a professional response to a junk removal service inquiry with pricing, availability, and terms. If you need an invoice system, try Invoice Generator by Invoicely or create invoice templates using ChatGPT with this prompt. Create a junk removal service invoice template with space for service description, pricing, date, and contact information. Step 7. Find equipment and a vehicle. You'll need a truck or trailer, heavy-duty gloves, bungee cords, trash bins, and basic tools for dismantling furniture. Consider renting or buying used equipment at first to keep costs low. Use ChatGPT to assist with budgeting and sourcing. Give me a checklist of essential tools and vehicle recommendations for starting a junk removal business with a limited budget. You can also ask for buying tips. What should I look for when buying a used truck for a junk removal business? Step 8. Comply with legal and safety requirements. Make sure you have business liability insurance, understand local dumping laws, and follow safety regulations. Check if you need special permits for transporting waste in your city or state. ChatGPT prompt. List all the legal requirements, licenses, and insurance policies needed to start a junk removal business in your city/state. AI tool. ChatGPT helps you research regulatory compliance based on your location. Step 9. Launch and track progress. Begin with a soft launch by serving friends, family, or small local jobs. Use these first projects to gather testimonials, photos, and feedback. Collect reviews on Google and Yelp. Measure your results to see which marketing strategies or neighborhoods bring in the most business. ChatGPT prompt for tracking. Create a weekly tracking sheet to monitor number of jobs, income, expenses, and customer feedback for a junk removal business. Use Google Sheets to implement this and visualize growth. You can also ask ChatGPT, help me create a formula in Google Sheets to calculate weekly profit margins from my junk removal jobs. Step 10. Expand strategically. As your business gains traction, consider hiring part-time helpers, adding another vehicle, or offering specialty services like foreclosure cleanouts or donation pickups. Continue using AI to optimize your decisions. Prompt to explore expansion. What are the best ways to grow a junk removal business after the first 6 months? Suggest scalable services and upselling techniques. Use ChatGPT to draft partnership proposals for real estate agents, construction companies, or storage units. Conclusion. Starting a junk removal business doesn't require a large upfront investment, especially if you leverage the power of free AI tools. From brainstorming your business plan and designing marketing materials to creating operational templates and legal checklists, tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Durable, and Notion can save you time and money. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.